Hi there, this is a Compaq Presario CQ56. It's fully refurbished both internally and externally. It's got a clean install of Windows 10 authenticated on Microsoft's activation service. I'll just give you a quick demonstration, which is probably what you're here to see. But if we just do a quick restart, I'll show you what this is all about. Now, traditionally, machines of this kind of age, with Windows 10 installed on them, they do tend to struggle. This has got a 120GB SSD drive in it. It's got 4GB of RAM. It's fully refurbished externally and internally, as I've said. The CPU has been remounted, and the thermal heat pipe heat exchanger has been mated to it with thermal compound silver, Arctic silver thermal compound for obviously great heat transfer. And what you can probably or not hear in the background is the fan running. The reason being is this device now runs very, very cool. Through some research, I've managed to remove or switch off, or both, various services and bloatware that Microsoft tend to feel that we should have on and in our machines, that benefits them and rather not us as the end user. So what I've managed to do is switch a lot of them off, and as you can see, it booted very, very quickly. Quite often you might have to go and make a cup of tea or coffee while you're waiting for your laptop to boot, particularly ones of this generation. And as you can see, the hard disk isn't caching at all, the solid state drive isn't caching at all here. I've seen machines come straight out of sort of main high streets, PC World rather, those kind of outlets with brand new i7 fully locked and loaded laptops, and the hard drive is running at 85–90+%, and people wonder why their machines are really laggy, and that's a primary reason. If you notice as well, the CPU is hardly operating at all. So with its meager 4GB of memory and this 120GB SSD, most importantly with the tweaks that I've done and the registry alterations, this machine basically is all the resources available with it and of it are available to you to use, rather than actually being utilized in the background, communicating with Microsoft servers and imaging your machine, which they do pretty much all the time. Let me show you here. So as you can see, the machine itself, the CPU is sitting on average at 49 degrees, and the SSD is sort of sitting at 32 degrees. So like I said, it runs very, very cool as a result of these tweaks and also the full refurbishment that I've done. I'm going to put this on eBay. I'm going to leave the link to the eBay auction if you want to actually go there and have a look at it. There'll be a lot more information on the eBay auction as well, within the written text and the description. So if you'd like to, or of interest and you'd like to find out how this is done, or would even like it done to your machine, please get in touch. I offer a postage service where you can post the laptop to me, and I can go through all these measures of upgrading it and tweaking the machine for you, and then sending it back. Anyway, thanks very much for watching, and I hope you have a great rest of your day.